So then we tried to poke a little bit more into local economy, and we just stormed into the city hall and we stepped into an office to talk to people. Again, they were kind of scared about the foreigners coming in and asking all these questions. Like one of the answers that we got, there are no jobs, there are no jobs. We weren't looking for a job. And then we ended up at the tourist information. We try to avoid the tourist information at all possible cost, but people kept referring us, go to the tourist information. And then we had a really long conversation with the guy behind the desk, and the guy behind the desk said, "Yeah, you're staying in yeah, you're not the first team to pass through here." Anyway, so we didn't learn much about our actual case, but we learned a bit about the local culture and local challenges that they have. The refinery is a recurring theme, the employment, the brain drain. So there's a couple of nice hooks to tie in some of our ideas into. In the afternoon, we went to visit the agricultural co-op, which was really nice. We should really be grateful for the time they spent with us and showed us around and answer our annoying questions. Although I think we need to dig in more about the cooperative environment here to learn about best practices and coping mechanisms, to see if we can translate it into a blueprint for other initiatives.
They have an interesting case with the batteries. They have three life cycles for the batteries, and when they're not used in the cars, they take them and can then make use of them stationary. So that's also an interesting resource to have here. In the afternoon, we went to see the foundation, and this is really interesting because they own a lot of land, and it looks like they're not enough to make use of that land just by themselves, so they need to cooperate. And they produce also stuff themselves on that land with the primary goal to educate children, that the children know how to cooperate with each other, how to create food from the land and consume that. So they produce food, they also produce electricity, their own.
We decided to propose that we focus on immigration as a problem that we thought was going to be, a key one in the area. And as we landed and started talking and seeing things, we divided the team up yesterday into a couple of groups and went around the area, went to the castle, went to the telecommunications center up there, went to do the 2 site visits. And we realized that there's so much more that we could try to apply our technology and expertise to than not just debunking immigration negative perceptions in the general population, which is what we thought was the default option. As we hooked up into the team visiting Neutron, this company that is doing a very innovative retrofitting of fuel-based vehicles into electrical vehicles, we realized that there's actually scientific research going on in Milazzo too, something that we had assumed was not the case. So the challenge for us coming out of that visit is to think about how to build trust with the entrepreneurs, driving that business forward, so that we can try to engage deeper in having our software tools help them do their research better. At the end of the day, we also visited the very polluting chemical plant, the refinery. And you guys told us that it's really hard to talk to them and access them and try to engage to see if we can help drive their R&D into kind of cleaner technologies.